Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2015 Buick LaCrosse Premium 2, stock number Z6494A. Only 19,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this LaCrosse brand new, Atlantis Blue Metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper in 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The LaCrosse is in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. The LaCrosse is a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Ample trunk with wide opening, making it easy to get things in and out. And not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Premium 2 has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, 11-speaker Bose sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 19,000 miles. That's also where you set the forward collision alert. Heads-up display so you can keep your eyes on the road. Leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio app, navigation, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as ventilated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input. Large glove box with all the owner's overhead auto dimming mirror and HomeLink transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this LaCrosse has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 304 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon and the city average of 28 on the highway. And approximately 60% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.